Hello, it's Wolfletech. So, I know the lighting is crappy right now. You can barely see my face. So, let me take care of that. Nope, there we go. Hello. Anyway, so I had a rough day at work today. Anyway, so I just wanted to let you all know that you're all wonderful. You're always gonna have a bad day, but make your bad day good. So I was playing with a 3D printer to fix it. So anyway, here's the video of that, and I'll see you next time, maybe with a vlog, but I should have outro today too. So anyway, bye bye. Human paw with green eyes, because why not? Boop. I said there was going to be an outro. I tried. So here is 20 seconds of Tyler's inside of car. A Wolfletech, whatever. Anyway, hello.